Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal June and you're watching today's legal news where we update you with the latest legal developments across the country. Starting with the headlines. Supreme Court orders routine inspections of national highways to keep encroachments in check. High Court reserves order on ex-AAP Councillor Tahir Hussain's plea seeking quashing of FIR in 2020 North-East Delhi riots case. Emergency producer Zee Entertainment moves Bombay High Court for Kangana Ranaut-Starrer's release certification. Supreme Court seeks Madras High Court's response on late release of Graft case ruling. Islamabad High Court Registrar disapproves Imran Khan's military trial plea. Now the news in detail. The Supreme Court has directed the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways to carry out regular inspections and develop a portal where citizens can lodge complaints about the encroachments on highways. A division bench of Justice Abhay S. Oka and Justice Augustine George Massey directed the ministry to constitute proper teams for frequent and regular inspection of all national highways to ascertain encroachments over there. Giving the union government time to implement its direction by September 30th, 2024, the court noted the concern of amicus curiae Swati Ghildial, who said if the encroachments on national highways are to be prevented and removed, proper inspection teams must be constituted for regular inspection of highways. She pointed out that inspection frequency laid down in a circular in March 2024 is the same as prescribed at the construction stage, which would not work. The court has directed that a mechanism should be created to ensure that the inspecting teams, after finding encroachments, immediately report to the competent authority empowered to remove encroachment. The Delhi High Court has reserved orders in a plea by former AAP councillor Tahir Hussain seeking quashing of one of the first information reports against him and the subsequent proceedings, including the charges framed against him in relation to the same FIR. Hussain is facing allegations of rioting, criminal conspiracy and promoting communal enmity as well as offences under the Arms Act in relation to the 2020 North-East Delhi riots. 2 FIRs were lodged against Hussain for similar offences from one incident only differentiated by the places of offence. One for the offence committed on the ground floor of the building and another on the first floor of the same building. The 2 FIRs were lodged at the Khajuri Khas police station. Zee Entertainment Enterprises, the co-producer of the movie Emergency, has approached the Bombay High Court to seek the film's release and a censor certificate. According to the petition, the censor board has arbitrarily and illegally withheld the film's censor certificate. The petition also claimed that the censor board was ready with the certificate but not issuing it. Previously scheduled for release on September 6th, the Kangana Ranaut-Starrer biographical drama is caught up in controversy after Sikh organizations, including the Shiromani Akali Dal, objected, accusing it of misrepresenting the community and getting historical facts wrong. On the CBI's allegation that a detailed order passed by a Madras High Court judge in a corruption case in 2017 was made available only after he had demitted office, the Supreme Court has directed the High Court's Registrar General to submit a report detailing the date on which the judgment was received by the registry from the judge's office and when it was made available to the public on the High Court website. A division bench of Justice Abhay S. Oka and Justice Augustine George Massey passed the order on a petition filed by CBI challenging the order passed by the single-judge bench of Justice T. Mathivanan quashing a corruption case against an IRS officer. The Islamabad High Court Registrar's Office has raised objections to a petition filed by former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan seeking to prevent a potential military trial related to the May 9th protest cases. Imran Khan's petition, filed under Article 199 of the Constitution, is aimed at halting his possible military trial amid speculation about such a trial in a military court. The Registrar's Office has questioned the validity of the petition, noting that it lacks specific details such as a first information report and any attached documentation or orders. The Registrar's Office also raised concern about the appropriateness of filing the petitions in the Islamabad High Court when the cases are filed in Punjab. Furthermore, they questioned how the petition could be filed in the High Court while the issue of military trials is pending in the Supreme Court. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. Subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices for the latest legal updates.